Hey, what's up YouTube? So I am with a brand new student. Very first day. She's nervous as you would expect. We're gonna do a short video, like maybe 10-15 minutes, just to show where she is, and as you know, I've said all the time, we'll kind of show you as we go along as she progresses, right? Keep going straight. Alright, so please like the video. As usual, I want you to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload new videos. Alright, so we're gonna drive around with her for a while. We're in Plantation. I'm going in this area that has like lots and lots of corners. I like to bring people there when they first start so we can kind of see and document the changes as they get better. Alright, go straight ahead. I need to find out what the hell's going on with this stupid gimbal. I think the battery compartment is dusty, but the thing is brand new. I don't know.
That's weird.
That is mad weird. Because I only got it like 2 weeks ago, and it's like a couple of $100 for it. Alright, go straight. Slow down, don't go too fast. And we're gonna stay in the right lane. And just take your time around the corner. Slow down. And then you let it go about there. Yeah. Alright, gently on the gas. And like I say, I'm in this neighborhood because it's like a lot of twist and turn. So this is good for you. Watch the grass. And try to maintain a certain speed. Like if you're kind of going a little faster than you're controlling right now. So try to keep it about 20. Maximum speed in here is 25, right? So keep it at about 20 miles per hour for right now. This neighborhood is so nice.
It is.
Because they have like really big lots, you know what I'm saying? Like in a lot of the other neighborhoods, you have really tiny lots. This is... most people's never even been over here. Like this is, they call this area Plantation Country Club. Stop here, and then we're gonna continue to the right. So stop completely, and you would look to the left. There's a stop sign there, right? So you're here first, so you go. So you have stop signs everywhere. So you're the one here first, so you go first. Go ahead. You can listen to the news a little bit. Stop completely. A little bit hard.
Yeah, sorry.
No, you don't have to say sorry though. It's a part of the process. I truly expect you to do that, but I still have to tell you when you do it, right? You pay attention to this stuff? The corona thing?
Yeah, sometimes. Sometimes they would just be repeating the same thing over and over.
Well, I mean, they have this so-called 24-hour news cycle, and they have 5 hours of news to fill 24 hours. So basically, they take all of the news that happened and then, you know, try to stretch it out over 24 hours. That's exactly what they do. That's why when I watch the news, right, and I do every day, you watch through the whole cycle once, and then that's it, because nothing new is probably going to happen for that day, unless there's some breaking news. You know what I'm saying? So you watch through the cycle, which is usually about an hour or less.
Yeah.
And then you know that's it. They're gonna repeat that. I watch it once and I know that that's it. It's not gonna be anything new. If there's any breaking news, I'll watch that. But other than that, it's the same crap over and over.
Yeah, true.
Just like when you listen to the radio. I mean, they have a certain amount of songs that they repeat all day. So if you're listening to the radio for an hour, it's great because you hear the songs that they're playing. But if you listen to the radio for 8 hours, like I do sometimes because I'm in the car, you realize that the same songs have been repeated over and over. Like right now, the songs that you hear on TikTok are the songs that they're playing on every station. That's all they're doing. Every song that you hear on TikTok, that's what's going on. Right? See, that's why we're in this neighborhood, right? Corners. But you're doing a lot more than you need to do, right? Just keep the wheel like that. Like you don't need to turn as much as you feel like you need to turn, right? Just turn enough to keep you in the lane. Like that. You see what I'm saying? I can feel your hand, the tension in the wheel. Relax. And just keep going. See that? Gently on the gas. That's why I take you over here. It's mostly corners. So once you're comfortable with the corners, then what I do, I bring you in here like the first day, and then I bring you in here again later on to see how much you've improved. Because it's like mostly corners. You barely have any straight road in here. So I keep going straight around.
During that visit, the governor of Florida, Ron DeSantis, made an interesting comment. He complained
Keep going
that
straight
in his
now.
view, the media is
Stay right here.
downplaying the success of his coronavirus response.
I was the #1 landing spot from tens of thousands of people.
Alright, so we're gonna make a left turn coming up, signal left.
To come to my seat.
Down
We
here.
succeeded, and I think that people just don't want to recognize it because it challenges their narrative, it challenges their
Use your brakes,
So they
slow
gotta
down.
try to find a boogeyman. Maybe it's that there are black helicopters circling the Department of Health.
Okay.
If you believe that,
Turn left.
I got a bridge in Brooklyn I'd like to sell you.
So keep it like right there, like that.
Referring to some conspiracy theories there, but
And let go,
how much do we
like
know
that.
about
You see what I'm saying?
and
Yeah.
how well numbers have
Right,
come
gently
together,
on the gas.
whether or not
Yeah, letting go off the wheel is really the most efficient way to go around the corner. The only thing is you have to time it properly, you know what I mean? You have to know when to let go. Like, you have to time it properly. That's all I can say about that. Because if you let it go too early, you'll go over there, make a left here. And if you wait too long, you'll end up on the left side. You understand? Okay, you're a little bit early. We're on the right there. Yeah, so if you wait too long to let go off the wheel, you'll end up going on the left side. And if you let go off the wheel too early, you'll go on the right side.
Oh, okay.
So you definitely have to time it properly. But once you get that down, then the whole turn thing is kind of easy. It all gets easy actually, eventually. So even though it's like real tense and seems pretty hard right now, it gets much, much easier with practice. They say practice makes perfect, right?
Yeah.
That is actually facts. Alright, so we're going to make a right turn. Those big trees right there sticking out. We're gonna make a right turn as soon as we pass them. Signal right. Use your brakes. Slow down. Slow down and turn. Alright, so you slow down, but you don't stop necessarily, right? You slow down enough where you can control it. Straighten the wheel. Yeah. And you always straighten up first before you hit that gas pedal.
Okay.
If you hit the gas pedal pointing at the tree, you see what happened, right?
Yeah.
So you always straighten up before you hit the gas. You go around the corner nice and slow. And when you feel in control and you're straight, then you press gently on the gas. Right? Yeah, if you press the gas down going around the corner, and you're pointing towards the tree, good chance you're going to be going into the tree. I have a lot of students that tell me that they were learning with family members and they run into stuff. They run into the garage. Take your time. They run into trees, they run into whatever, because when you're nervous, you tend to do that.
Yeah.
We saw the Florida Democrats in the Florida
Alright, so we're going to make the left turn coming up.
week, among them Ted Deutsch, Lois Franco, Debbie Wasserman Schultz, and others say that the governor was not playing straight with the numbers.
So, Jonathan, we got this note from Dan on Facebook. And I
Alright, so we're going to make a right turn, a left turn, sorry.
trying to make sense of what the president says about anything having to do with COVID-19.
And let go, let go.
Utterly incompetent in his response, and is so clearly trying to make light of anything that even smells of bad news. You can't spin 100,000 deaths as a positive. Stop allowing him to try. So, Jonathan, that seems to be a complaint we've heard before, that perhaps we should not be covering the president's comments.
That is funny.
COVID-19.
You can't spin 100,000 dead as a positive. It's crazy. Go around this man. Alright, so we're gonna make a right turn. Signal, push up, stop completely here. And so you look to the left, make sure there's nothing coming, and then go ahead and make your right turn. Gently on the gas. Turn. And let go, let go. And press the gas gently. This cop car is always here. I guess they just have it there as a prop. You know they do that, right?
Yeah. Go straight.
Yeah. They do that. They park them there in the neighborhood, so you think like, okay, the cops are here. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Alright, see. And straighten up, and then press gently on the gas. Yeah, just like that.
He often deals in mistruths, misinformation, and sometimes outright lies. We have to cover them for what they are, call them for what they are. But we certainly can't ignore what he says. He is still the President of the United States.
And Rhonda, in the minute we have left here, I wonder these trips that both the Vice President Pence and Trump are taking, they seem to be in a lot of swing states. Pence was in Iowa today. Trump was in
Are we leaving out this neighborhood?
Yeah, we're gonna go another.
We think that these
We're gonna go down and go into another area of the neighborhood, but yeah, we're gonna do a little bit more of this neighborhood because again,
absolutely, I think they are.
it's a bunch of corners, which is really what you need to work on at first is how to control the corners.
He's been at odds with the governor and also the attorney general there. So, his campaign may have thought that was the place to be to make sure that the supporters he has there are energized, that they see him.
I actually really like this neighborhood. It's like out of the way,
Very private.
Yeah, very, very private.
I mean, where I live is very private too, but
Yeah, because where you live, I mean, it's kind of out of the way. Because even if you drive past on 441,
you won't really notice it.
You don't really notice it. It's like really inconspicuous. The way the gate is and the way, it's just way back there. That is fact. I go straight here. Right here.
Please comment. Well, we are going to comment on that, Susan. And if you have questions,
So you got, people own those, right? You buy those?
either own or rent.
Okay.
We rent.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I know they were like townhouses for sale. After they built those things, I don't know how long you guys have been there.
We haven't been there since December.
Oh, okay. Because when they first built them, they built them with Chinese drywall. And they had to close all of them down. And basically redid them.
We just mounted my TV and
It fell off the wall?
no.
Oh.
My dad just said, yeah, these walls are so bad. Jamaica got better walls than this.
Yeah, those places were built with Chinese drywall. I remember for a while they had them closed, they shut them down and they replaced most of the Chinese drywall. I don't think, whatever wall is in your house, I don't think it's Chinese drywall anymore, Nicola, because they had to replace them. Left turn right here, take your time, turn. And let go, yeah. Gently on the gas. So you live with your mom and dad?
Just my mom.
Okay. siblings? No
Yeah,
siblings?
brother. But he don't live with us.
Oh, okay.
It's like, yeah, at least 28. We're 20 years apart.
Oh, okay.
Members of Nova Southeastern University. It takes a massive collaborative effort to maintain the well-being of our communities.
Around this
On June
trip.
18th, NSU is hosting a virtual information session with advice and tips for nonprofit survival post-COVID-19. You can also learn about NSU Florida's new online NSU philanthropy and nonprofit management. You can get more information at nova.edu/business.
Monday morning at 9, money and the price of life in South Florida during COVID-19.
I'm gonna run out of savings.
It's doing the roof job up there. Stop sign.
He was out of work for a couple weeks.
I'm Tom
Straight.
Hudson. The
Yeah,
program
wait.
is made
Stop
possible
completely,
by
though.
Goldman Russell.
Sorry, I was
Go
fixing
straight.
my same
Oh,
time.
okay. Alright, go ahead. Yeah, that Z4 is nice. I'm a car guy. So.
Oh, okay. So I was like, wait, what is that?
You see, I have the. You see my other cars, right?
Mm-hmm.
You see the gray one? That's a Z3. That's a Z4. That red one is a Z4. My gray one is a Z3. Alright, go ahead.
Right?
Left turn, left turn. That right turn is actually a dead end. Slow down. I love this house. It's always beautifully kept. Stop completely. Stop.
Sorry.
Alright, go ahead, make it right. Take your time. Nice and slow. Straighten up. Yeah, good. Yeah, this house is always immaculately kept every time.
Becoming a regular guest on 1A lately, so make yourself at home.
Oh, thanks, Celebrity.
So you're getting the hang of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, practice makes perfect. It really, really is exactly like that. Alright, so we're going to stop at the stop sign and then we're going to continue going straight down there. Alright, stop completely. Yeah, just relax. Those big turns that you're making are completely unnecessary. Go straight there.
And this could become a legal question. The governor, Gretchen Whitmer, says critical infrastructure like a dam should not occur.
Alright, so I'm going to end this video. So, as you can see, she is fairly new at this. She's nervous, she's a little bit stiff, but we're going to get her nice and comfortable over the next couple of days. So I will show you her progress as we go. And I'll ultimately take you along when she goes for her driving test. Alright, we're going to make another left turn. Go out enough where you can actually see. Alright, so like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and I will see you on the next one. Wait for this truck.
Yeah, let's look at this.
Alright, see you on the next one.